of all, define scheduling parameter for production. First of all, let's say specify scheduling type. What are the scheduling types you have? So here we have a six scheduling type. First, forward scheduling, as I told you, will enter a start date and system will automatically calculate end date. Backward scheduling will enter a end date and system will tell the start date. The third one is only capacity requirement. Okay. Now it is
Mm-hmm.
interesting. Suppose for this, suppose if I'm using this third one, in this case, system is not going to tell us any date. Okay, you can keep start date and same, start date and end date same, and this order will be used only to know the capacity situation. Or by if I create an order with the only capacity requirement, then system will generate a capacity requirement. Apart from that, automatic scheduling is not needed here, right? Then we have a current date. Current date is your start date and end date will also always be current date. Then forward in time and backward in time. See, the first two, the forward and backward deals at day level, these two. However,
Mm-hmm.
in your fifth and sixth level, along with date, you can also consider the exact time. Okay, this fifth and sixth is required if your cycle time is very small, even a second matters to you. Then you'll always go with the fifth and sixth. Okay, now see, at the
Okay.
time of order type creation, you can fix up a parameters. So let me fix up a parameter. Okay, so what scheduling type
Mm-hmm.
you want to mark is a default scheduling. So let's say if I select forward scheduling, so what system will do at the time of order creation, system will automatically consider forward scheduling. Okay, this is a default value.
Okay.
It doesn't mean system won't allow you to change it at the time of order creation. System will allow you to change it, but it is considered as a default. Right now, next one is start in past. Okay, generally it is not suggested to perform any transaction in past date, right? But if your situation demands, like you have to post your some goods receipt in past date or your order should be in past date, then here you can allow number of days. Okay, so here suppose if I enter 6 here, then what system will do, system will allow me to create a production order in 6 days past. Okay, so today is
Mm-hmm.
19. So system will allow me to create order from 13th. And if I do not enter this detail here, then in this case, system won't allow me to create order in any past date. If I'll put a past date, let's say if I put 13 there, system will automatically change to 19.
This 613, is it F for help here or how you came to know?
Come again?
Yeah, the start in the past, here you enter 6.
Uh, yeah,
Yeah, as of now the cursor is there, right?
yeah.
So 6 means here, I missed the
Six
point,
days.
sorry.
It means system will allow
Okay,
me to create order in days past.
okay, okay, okay.
It is not necessary that always you'll enter any value here. Okay, if you are
Mm-hmm.
decent demand, like if, I give you example, in one industry I saw that their shift timing start from 6:30 to 6:30. Okay, so they'll suppose
Okay,
today morning in 6:30 their shift will start. Okay, when their night shift will come, date will change to 20th. Right, I'm talking
yeah.
about the IST. Okay, So now,
Yeah.
but for them, the date is still 19th because they consider 24 hours from 6:30 to 6:30, right? So now,
Yeah.
when their C shift will over, at that time, if they want to create order, so that date would be 19th, right? But
Yeah.
system date would be 20th. So in this case, in this type of cases, you can allow 1 or 2 days. So suppose if I allow 2 days or 1 day here, so what system will do? System will allow me to create a order on 19th. Okay. Another important thing here about the adjust scheduling, right? Because it is commonly seen that when we have generated any sort of requirement and there is a still a scope of adjustment between the dates. So what at dates should be adjusted? So see, the first option is to adjust the basic date. Okay, basic date is a start date, basic start date and basic end date of your production order. Okay, then adjust
Okay.
basic date and adjust dependent requirement to order start. The first one was related to operation date, and second one is related to order start date. Okay, and third and fourth are your do not adjust.